Now definition of partition. If closed interval AB, simply call it I, capital I, is closed and bounded interval in R, then the partition I is finite. It should finite. Then partition denoted as script P, it is defined and denoted as A. Least element of this interval is equal to x0, comma x1 and so on xn, it is finite, and last element of the partition is maximum element of the interval is b, small b. So xn is equal to b. So point in I, all those point in interval I, closed interval a, b, such that x0 is strictly less than x1, is strictly less than x2, and so on up to xn is equal to b. For example, if I choose I is equal to closed interval 0, 1, then partition of I is script P is equal to first element is next element of this interval. Here A is equal to 0, so first element is 0 and last element is B. Here B is equal to 1, so last element is 1. All elements x0, x1 up to xn, it is in R. So this condition, x0 is strictly less than x1, is strictly less than x2 up to xn. So here, suppose x1 is equal to 0.1, 0.2, 0.5 and last is 0.1. Here condition is satisfied because 0 is strictly less than 0.1, 0.1 is strictly less than 0.2, 0.2 is strictly less than 0.5 and 0.5 is strictly less than 1. Another partition is, you can take any partition, any part of closed interval 0, 1. Partition is a just part into whole interval. I choose 0.1, 0.2, 0.5 and 1. You can choose any first and last element is 0 and 1 always. In between you can choose 0.2, 0.4, 0.7 and 1. So this one is another partition of the 0.1. Now definition is mesh of a partition. Mesh or norm of a partition. So next definition is mesh or norm of partition. Here element of partition is, suppose P2, I choose closed interval 0, 1 partition of P2 is 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.7 and 1. What is distance of? Suppose I call x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. If I choose x0, comma x1 is equal to simply call I0. So it is subinterval of closed interval 0, 1. Answer is yes, because each element of x0 is 0, x1 is 0.2, which is belonging in closed interval 0, 1. And I1 is equal to x1, x2, I2 is equal to x2, comma x3, I3 is equal to x3, comma last element is x4. Length of each subinterval, if I choose length of each subinterval, which one is maximum, that maximum length of subinterval is called mesh of partition or norm of partition. So definition is the maximum length is unique, so I write the maximum length of each subinterval each subinterval of partition is called norm or mesh of partition. That means it is denoted as norm of P. It is defined and denoted as maximum of x1. What is length of this interval? Big element of maximum element minus minimum element is called length of this interval. So x1 minus x0, first length of this interval, x2 minus x1, second interval's length up to x n minus x n minus 1. What is maximum? It's called norm. What is norm of P2? Partition of closed interval 0, 1. What is norm of P2? The norm of P2 is equal to maximum of I write in bottom, which says it's not very well. Norm of P2 is maximum of each subinterval of the partition. Length of this subinterval 0.2 minus 0, comma 0.4 minus 0.2, comma 0.7 minus 0.4, comma 1 minus 0.7. This one is last. So maximum of 0.2 minus 0 is 0.2, 0.4 minus 0.0 is 0.2, 0.7 minus 0.4 is 0.3, 1 minus 0.7 is 0.3. What is maximum number? 0.3. So norm of P2 is 0.3. What is norm of P1? 0.1 minus 0. So maximum of 0.1 minus 0.0 is 0.1. 0.2 minus 0.1 is 0.1. 0.5 minus 0.2 is 0.3. 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5. What is maximum number is 0.5. So norm of P1 is the 0.5.